In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see your Apple ID password on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, swipe over to the app library just like that, all the way to the left until you are at the app library. Then hit right here at the search box and search for passwords. In iOS 18, Apple separated saved passwords into a standalone app, making it easier to find them. So now I'm gonna open up that app. Face ID is required to continue. And now there we can use this search box to search for any password at any website or application. To do that, hit right here and then just enter Apple here. As you can see at the second row, I have that appleid.apple.com password. Here's my username, and now if I enter that password, I will be able to reveal it if I hit right here at these dots. Just hit at these dots and it will show you your saved Apple ID password. However, if your Apple password isn't saved here in the Passwords app, you can try checking your Chrome web browser. I'm gonna search for Chrome here. After that, just tap right here at your profile picture. Then go to Password Manager. Face ID is also required to continue. And that's where, if we hit right here at search and search for Apple, in the same way we can easily find our Apple ID password, and by hitting right here we can reveal it in the same way. If you have ever saved your password in Chrome, it should be there. However, if for some reason you still can't find your password, then you can just simply reset it directly from your iPhone. To do that, just open up your iPhone settings and tap at your name at the very top. Then tap at Sign In and Security, and that's where you need to tap at Change Password. After that, it will ask you to enter your security iPhone passcode to continue, and on the next step you will be able to set new password for your Apple ID. Just keep in mind that your password must be at least 8 characters with a number, uppercase and lowercase letters. This is the best option if you no longer remember your current password. Just enter it here and then hit continue. So basically, guys, these are the 3 best ways how you can easily either find or reset your Apple ID password. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.